There are Jews in the world, there are Buddhists, there are Hindus and Mormons, and then there are those that follow Muhammad, but I've never been one of them. I'm a Roman Catholic, and I've been since before I was born. And the one thing they say about Catholics is they'll take you as soon as you're warm. You don't have to be a six-footer, you don't have to have a great brain, you don't have to have any clothes on. You are Catholic the moment that came, because every sperm is sacred, every sperm is great. If a sperm is wasted, God gets quite irate. Every sperm is sacred, every sperm is great. If a sperm is wasted, God gets quite irate. Let the heavens spill there on the dusty ground. God shall make them pay for each sperm that can't be found. Every sperm is wanted, every sperm is good, every sperm is needed in your neighborhood. Hindu, Taoist, Mormon, spill there's just anywhere, but God loves those who treat their semen with more care. Every sperm is sacred, every sperm is great. If a sperm is wasted, God gets quite irate. Every sperm is sacred, every sperm is good, every sperm is needed in your neighborhood. Every sperm is useful, every sperm is fine. God needs everybody's mine and mine and mine. Let the pagans spill theirs over mountain, hill and plain. God shall strike them down for each sperm that's split and wane. Every sperm is sacred, every sperm is good, every sperm is needed in your neighborhood. Every sperm is sacred, every sperm is great. If a sperm